So last week I uploaded a video covering how I gave myself bangs. Now if you haven't seen that yet, it's going to be linked in the description. Here's however a short summary of the previous video.
You know how everyone got to cutting their own hair and coloring and doing all sorts of stuff to their hair in quarantine? Yeah, well, we're in no shape or form in quarantine like right now, but I like being late. Whatever I do.
There was some paranormal activity caught on camera.
I actually did once have bangs, but
Yeah, tragic times.
just do it.
And we did do some of this too.
I might regret this later.
No, I'm like really frustrated right now for literally no reason. So, isn't that the best time to color your hair?
So for the actual hair dye, I had to mix up this powder with some warm water. So this is what it looks like. Yum. Smells delicious too. I guess it is like plant basically, so I shouldn't be surprised, but
So last week, I gave myself, I gave myself bangs last week, and now I wanna dye my hair orange. And I'm saying last week because that's my goal, to get these videos up like around 1 week apart. So I'm just gonna get straight into it because I've already mixed up the color. I'm using this, it's like a natural dye. I think it's made from henna. The color is natural red. Before I start, I think I'm gonna brush my hair, and then I'm going to be also wearing this very fancy, not beat up at all, cape to protect my clothes. You have served me well. Now goodbye. Sorry if the lighting is like weird. I tried to set up like a light because the lighting in our bathroom is very orange or like yellow. But I don't know like which angle the light is coming from. It might look weird, but I'm hoping it doesn't. Oh, I need the gloves. So here in this little pouch I have like gloves and a cap that you need to wear after the hair dye is applied. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna need scissors. I have hair cutting scissors. You saw nothing. Anyone else, or is it just me who hates wearing these kind of gloves? So freaking uncomfortable, noisy, and hot. I'm gonna go about this, I don't know how yet. We'll figure it out. You may notice that I have previously dyed this side of my head a darker shade. So there's my natural color, and there's, I don't even know if you can tell the difference anymore. My plan of action is going to be dyeing my own hair first. I mean, like starting from this side and then making my way to this side. Where do you start? Okay, I think I got it to a consistency that makes sense. Maybe. I feel like it's not like sticking. I mean, I don't freaking know. I'll figure it out and I'll film I know I look really fabulous right now. Somehow I got the other side of my head dyed now. There is henna everywhere. This is so messy. Like the color dries up so fast. I think I added too much water, but it's still just like very difficult to apply. I'm probably doing everything wrong anyway. I'm trying to do like really small sections. Look at my hair being all precious. Oh, that's so cute. I feel like the color is going to end up looking really uneven, which I'm kind of scared of, but there's no going back now. So I decided to ditch the glove on the other hand. Oop. This is for sure like an experiment. This is my third time ever dyeing my own hair by myself, and I'm definitely starting to wish that I had asked someone to do this for me. And 3,000 years later, I finally have my full head soaking in this color. And this, I look ridiculous. And this is the aftermath. Just, it's everywhere. So I'm gonna have fun cleaning that up, and then I'm gonna probably FaceTime my best friend while this does its magic. Hopefully it does some serious magic. The directions said that you can leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes if your hair is like light blonde. But then if it's brown or dark brown, then leave it on for 1 to 2 hours. Like, great, thanks, now I know exactly what time to set a timer on. I think I'm gonna do less than an hour, like 45 minutes maybe, because I don't want red hair, I want like an orange-ish shade.